everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Camaro RS split bumper car. Beautiful car, guys. It's finished in Bahama blue. It's got the black striping across the hood and deck lid. I love the 70s because it got the front spoilers and it's got that little short spoiler on the rear. Good, solid Alabama car. Car's got a brand new set of 18 and 20-inch American Racing torque thrust with all new rubber. It also comes factory with the, comes with the factory 15-inch rally wheels. Good looking car, man. Recent body up restoration. Air car, 350 small block. Just a good car, man. It's got a great look to it. Runs and drives excellent. Good looking Camaro. I love the split bumpers. Car's got pretty paint, man. I love the color combo. Little touch-up mark there. Chrome and stainless is nice. There's a little crack in the paint right there. Not trying to nitpick it to death, guys. None of these things are perfect. I bought and sold 6,000 of these things. Never seen a perfect one yet. But nice car, man. Good color combo. I love it sitting out here in the sun. Color just pops. I love the little shorty spoilers in 70s. 72s and 3s got that high spoiler, which I gotta be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of. See, the car's nice and straight down the sides. Again, comes with the factory set of wheels as well as these. It's the, I don't know what you call them, the gray centered wheels with the, it's got BFGs all the way around it. Pretty car, man. Car's got air blows cold. Front disc brakes. It's got the dual sport mirrors. This is a pretty car, man. Guys, it's not the matching numbers engine. It does have an 010 block in it, which is the 350, 300 horse block. That's GM's high performance version. 4-barrel Edelbrock intake. You can see power steering, power front disc brakes, air blows cold. It's also been converted to the R134. 350 trans, detailed up real nice underneath the hood. It's got the finned aluminum valve covers. Does have, you can see them in there, ceramic headers. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I know I'm slow getting it posted. I try to get them on here as fast as I can, but I know I'm a little slow doing it. Dash is nice. Again, got the dual sport mirrors. As you walk around the car, man, there's not a whole lot to really nitpick on it, man. Good, solid, straight body. It's got the factory blue interior. These are a little bit faded. Actually, you could dye those. Carpet's in good shape. You can see they put the new sill plates on it. 70's got that cool interior too. The bucket seats, console. Sport wheel. It's actually got cruise. I don't know if the cruise actually works. I've never actually checked that. Dash is nice, gauges are nice and clear. 14,843, you know, I'm assuming that's 114, guys. Obviously the motor's been gone through. It's got some aftermarket gauges in there, aftermarket radio. It's dual exhaust. It's a stock rear end with a like a 331 standard gear. Again, you're just nice and crisp and clean everywhere you look, man. Good, solid car. Spare. I can't remember if the jack's in here. I'm just gonna pull this back, and you can see it's all spackle coated in here, like it should be. Good, solid car. Got it up in the air. Got some pictures of the bottom for you. Let's see. I mean, the fit and finish is nice. It's just a good car. Turn the key. Go have some fun. The car's nice underneath. Love the color combo. This blue pops, man. Looks good. Seats in there are really nice. They definitely refoam these and recover these because these seats are gorgeous. Dash is nice. Like I say, the gauges are nice and clear. And your little light in there is working. Mini torque starter. They just kicked your air on, blows ice cold. Good car. Love that front end. Looks like a shark coming at you. Fuel gauge works. All your other gauges are down there. They all function, Jay. Yep. They all work. You can hear that radio in there working. Backup lights work. Pretty car, man. I dig it.
They have replaced Brad Paisley of 11 years doing it.
Blower motor, I know that all works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Man, that's a pretty car right there. Kind of car right there, guys. Kept us around for 41 years.